to the channel. My name is Winter, and on today's Winter Tries Friday, we are going to review the highly anticipated skincare brand. It's called Fenty Skin. So everyone is very curious about how Fenty Skin will live up to the hype because it's done by Rihanna. Oh my god. I am just so stoked that they actually sent me PR for this because it's freaking VIZOR, guys. But before we start, I'd like to apologize for the lighting today because right now it's midday and the sun is literally right up in front of me. It's shining and burning me. I actually have the AC and the fan just blowing at me because it's so hot. And yeah, because the clouds are always coming in front of the sun to give this very beautiful light. That's why it looks really nice here, but once the black clouds are gone, it's like boom, crazy lighting. So please pardon me for this video because I'm filming at the worst timing ever. So today's video is all about Fenty Skin, and I have quite a controversial opinion about the skincare. Even though it's done by VIZOR, I have to be 100% honest with you guys about my experience and how I like the product so far. So I'm going from the order of our skincare, and the first product that we are going to talk about is the Total Cleanser. So the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser is a cream gel formula that emulsifies into a nice lather when you add water into it, and this will help you to remove your makeup, your skincare throughout the day, and to leave you with beautiful soft skin. So it comes with a twist top opening like so, and I have to say that you have to twist it well. You have to make sure that it clicks like this to ensure that no products comes out when you sit it on your countertop like that, because I actually experienced my cleanser coming out of the product and it dropped all the way to my floor. It was so messy and I was very sad because I kind of wasted a lot of product because I didn't close it well. So make sure after using this you have to hear the click so that to ensure that your product is nicely stored in the bottle. So Fenty Skin's Total Cleanser is a daily cleanser that can be used both morning and night. I like to use this because it really helps to remove my makeup. It doesn't remove waterproof mascara though, so this is more for people who are more into light makeup. So if you use tinted moisturizer or you use foundation with a little bit of blush, this works amazing. So I'm going to show you how it actually removes the makeup on my hands. So on my hand I actually apply a high coverage concealer, some eyeliner and a lipstick, and I use the Total Cleanser on it, and it really helps to get rid of everything with just a light massage. And you can use this both wet or dry. So if I have a lot of makeup on that day, except for mascara, I have to highlight this doesn't remove mascara at all. If I have a very heavy makeup day, I actually use this dry on my face. I just rub it in to help emulsify all the makeup, let it like suck it all out of the pores, and then I add a little bit of water, and then I let it like lather up more so that it goes deep into the pores to strip off all the makeup and all the gunk from the day. And I love how this isn't drying at all. So even though it's able to remove all the makeup on my skin doesn't feel dry to the touch. So overall I think this is a really good cleanser, especially for people who are just starting out and you're looking for a product that helps to remove your daily skincare, because sunscreen is something that's very difficult to remove and this really helps to remove it as well. So yeah, if you're looking for a very basic high quality cleanser, I would totally recommend this. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll rate this product a 8 out of 10. 1 being that the closure kind of irritates me a little bit, because if I'm washing my face in the shower, it's very hard to get this click sound, especially when my hand is wet. So you really have to ensure that it's click in place. And I took another point off because this can't remove waterproof mascara. This sounds like a very basic product, but I will recommend this for people who are curious to try out Fenty Skin because it is just a cleanser, but it packs a punch and it really helps to get your skin super clean for the day and prepare you for the night. Now the next product we are going to talk about is the Fat Water, and as you can see, this is a super aesthetic product. Like the color, the texture, basically everything about this product screams aesthetic, and I really love it. It also comes with the same twist top opening, and for this the bottle is slightly softer because the texture of the liquid is honestly like fat water. It's a little bit more viscous than water, but less viscous than a serum. So all you need to do is twist the top open and squeeze the product out, and you'll get the toner onto your skin. So this claims to be a pore refining toner serum, and I like how Rihanna actually merged the idea of a toner and a serum together, because sometimes when your skincare has too many steps, it gets so repetitive and so irritating to apply. This one really is like killing two birds in one stone. This claims to instantly refine the looks of pores and reduce the looks of dark spots, and to be honest, after trying this for about 2 months, I don't think it actually helped with my pore issue, and it didn't help with my spots issue because I still have dark spots on my skin. But what I like about this is it really helps to hydrate the skin. And the ingredients in Fat Water is really good, and it's definitely worth mentioning. So it has niacinamide, it also has cactus leaf extract, which is really good for people with oily skin because it helps to soften out the sebum and it helps to get rid of it from the pores. It even has ginkgo biloba leaf extract, which is a great antioxidant for your skin. So I think the ingredients that are packed in this Fat Water makes it really fat and definitely worth the purchase. There's a lot of very luxurious ingredients that many brands will probably overprice it, but this is actually quite affordable, and yeah, I would totally recommend this as well. And when I use this, it really absorbs very nicely into my skin. It gives my skin this very hydrated plump glow, and I like how it feels on my skin. I actually use this every single day because I find that it's a very nice sensorial experience. My skin feels fresh, my skin feels clean, my skin feels very nourished after using this product. So out of 10, I'll rate it an 8 because number one, it doesn't refine the pores as it says, it didn't fade off my dark spots. Yeah, but otherwise I think it's a pretty darn good product to incorporate into your skincare routine. We have the HYDRA VIZOR moisturizer with SPF 30. So this retails for $54. It includes a moisturizer as well as a sunscreen, and I love how the packaging is like sustainable. So you can actually just buy the refill. The refill is $46 and use the what is this, the packaging again, just by inserting it and storing it like that. It's a very easy to bring around kind of packaging. You can just store it in your bag, especially when you're traveling, even though we aren't traveling anywhere. So what I like about the HYDRA VIZOR moisturizer is number one, the packaging. It has such a great packaging. Sustainable skincare is something that is very new in the market. I don't know why nobody's exploring it, and I'm so glad that Rihanna actually was one of the first to incorporate something so ingenious into her collection. And yeah, it's really worth mentioning. And the second thing that I love about this product is that it has sunscreen protection. Even though it's not very high, it's just SPF 30, I think for a first skincare line to actually include sunscreen into your collection is a huge thing because sunscreen has to go through a lot of FDA regulations. It's not very easy to produce a sunscreen as a first skincare product. So I think she did a really good job to actually incorporate it into her moisturizer. This is kind of like a foolproof skincare routine for people who just need a very basic skincare routine like a cleanser, toner, moisturizer all in one. So she really covered it up with the sunscreen, and I love it. When I apply the HYDRA VIZOR, I like how it goes on so smoothly onto my skin, but I have to say it has so much fragrance. Like, this is one of the most fragrance product in her skincare line. Like, I literally smell like a cherry milkshake. Like, it's super strong and it lingers, it doesn't go away. However, it gives your skin a very beautiful glow, and I like how even though it's a sunscreen product, it doesn't give me a white cast, and that is because the sunscreen that's used in HYDRA VIZOR is actually a chemical sunscreen. It's not a mineral sunscreen. And that brings me to the next point, because this is a chemical sunscreen. That means that even though it doesn't leave a white cast on your skin, which is great for many skin tones, I think it's amazing that she's very inclusive even when it comes to sunscreen. A chemical sunscreen is not reef safe, so it really depends on your personal ethics, I guess. Personally, for me, I'm not a cancel culture kind of person, so I won't totally cancel a product or stop using a product just because it's not reef safe. I mean, I'll try my best not to use it, and I'll try my best to educate people more about sunscreen and reef problems. But to be honest, I don't think sunscreens are the main reason why our reefs are diminishing. A lot of times it's just humans doing crazy shit in the water. So yeah, that's just something I just have to bring it up as a point to note. And as for the ingredients in the HYDRA VIZOR moisturizer, it is amazing as well. I don't know how Rihanna does this and still keep it in quite an affordable range, since this retails for about $56. So this product has glycerin as well as one of the top few ingredients on the ingredients list. So glycerin is actually a humectant, so it's like a water magnet. It actually sucks in water from the surface area, and it keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. It also has safflower seed oil, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and it's just basically packed with a lot of very moisturizing ingredients. So as a moisturizer, it definitely helps to moisturize your skin, judging from the ingredients that's inside. And based on my daily use, I found that my skin isn't as oily throughout the day, and it actually holds up my makeup pretty well. I really enjoy applying this product, just that the fragrance is a big no-no for me. Last but not least, we have the Fenty Skin Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream, and I have to say this is my favorite product in the entire Fenty Skin line because I have never tried a overnight cream as rich yet not as clogging or like irritating to the skin. It feels like a very luxe cashmere cushion on your face that provides the moisture as you sleep and catch up on your beauty sleep throughout the night. So the packaging as well is very sustainable. It comes with the twist top opening and you actually get a spatula inside to scoop out the product. And the cream is very rich. It's a gel cream, and even though it's a very luxurious hydrating cream, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It actually feels like a very nice moisture barrier for you to protect your skin as you sleep, especially if you sleep in a air-conditioned room. You definitely need something like this. And after using this, trust me, my skin was like glowing in the morning. I was so addicted. I actually applied this every single day. For me to actually reach out for a product, it means that this is actually a really good effective product. And on the first ingredients list, we have glycerin, which again, it means it sucks in water from the environment. So I'll give you a good tip. I actually put a cup of water in my room, so it helps to keep my skin hydrated despite sleeping in a very cold air-conditioned room. I think it really helps with that. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll rate this a 10 out of 10 because I think it's really one of the most amazing products that I've tried. It also has a scent to it, but it's not as crazy as the moisturizer, and to be honest, I really see the biggest difference with this product, and I would totally recommend you trying this out for the first time. So that's my opinion on Fenty Skin. If I were to recommend you products to try, if you are on a budget and you can't get the entire line, I would recommend you trying out the toner cleanser as well as the overnight recovery gel cream. I think these two products are the products that actually did the most difference to my skin. And as for the fat water, it's not exactly super pore refining. I think it's just kind of like an added luxurious step that you can add into your skincare routine so that you can skip your toner and your serum. So I think for a first launch of a skincare line, Rihanna did an amazing job in Fenty Skin because she covered the basics of a skincare, which is cleanser, toner, moisturizer, as well as sunscreen, and she managed to put it all in just 3 products. The extra product is the night recovery cream, which is something that is like an intense moisturizer without the sunblock. And yeah, it's very amazing that she actually like emphasized a lot on sunscreen because that's something that we all forget in our daily lives no matter what. I don't know why people don't apply sunscreen. I think it's fucking important. Please don't forget to use your sunscreen in the morning. Like, the sun is just cray and you need to protect your skin. Again, is it worth the hype? I would say it is definitely worth the hype, but don't expect amazing skin changes except for the recovery cream. You guys got to try it. It's amazing. And then that her products work, it's great. You can find out more about Fenty Skin on Sephora SG. I think they have like a small mini tester set that you can actually purchase so that you don't have to invest in the full size. I think that's really good as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!